So, we're at Victoria Square, looking what's like to celebrate at the festival. So, let me show you what's on today. Here's Mum, my sister, Dad's at work, and okay. So, we're going now to the performance. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Lovely nail, that's lovely. This is Jenny Dye's vlog, and we're at Birmingham today, and we are just seeing what it looks like here to celebrate the Birmingham 2022 festival. So please enjoy my vlog for today's YouTube channel. Thank you. So to continue with the rest of my just enjoying Birmingham. So it's a nice place. Come on, go down. Just one night. So now, what is your response? So Mum, let's go. I think we should drive down. We're not gonna drive. Oh yeah, well, quite loud here. Maybe we can manage. It's just amazing how so many people are here in Birmingham, and the Commonwealth Games. Come on. Some nice and clappy music here, and then so basically this is what's happening live here, and I think we'd be having to go now. So Mom, let's go. Mom, vlog. Say cheese. Say cheese. Done it. Yeah, let's face this one like this. Just amazing. We have to come on Saturday. Yep. Well, that's if he doesn't run. Quite noisy in the background, like I said earlier. So we're headed out now. Okay, let's go. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here at Birmingham at the Victoria Square. So seeing what it's like in Birmingham for the Birmingham 22 festival. So please enjoy the rest of my vlog.